Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Myself, Noria binti Ramli from International Islamic University of Malaysia, and my co-author, Dr. Vienna Hassan from Malta University. We are writing an article on medical tourism in Malaysia, which basically will talk about the prospect of the medical tourism in Malaysia, the factors that influencing the growth of medical tourism in Malaysia, the initiative taken by the Malaysian government in ensuring the sustainability of the medical tourism in Malaysia at local and international level. In this article also, you will find a discussion on the medical tourism blueprint under the preview of the Malaysian Tour Health Guide Council with the support of Ministry of Tourism Malaysia from the year 2021 to 2025. That will talk about the role and function of the Ministry of Tourism and the Malaysian Tour Health Guide Council in ensuring the smooth running of Malaysia as the global hub for the medical tourism hospitality.